Hey there, coaster friends. I'm back at Kennywood. Today I'm here for the Kennywood Krazy Group's annual picnic. It's run by my friend Chuck, who you've seen in my vlogs many times. So let's head on in. I love that they have the main gate open. It's so much easier to get down here and it just looks good. Yeah, wait time says 40. You know the park is busy already. Good Lord, almost an hour for the old mill. It is not worth that long of a wait, people. Yeah, 90-minute wait on Steel Curtain. I think they're only running one train right now, which is kind of crazy considering how busy the park is today. I don't know if that's in response to the Valley train a couple weeks ago, but dang, that's a long wait. Well, I am certainly glad I got my Bites and Pints punch card a few weeks ago, because that is the line today to get one. We're gonna try France today. That croquet monsieur, I'm sure I'm butchering that, but that sounds pretty good. So does the filet. I do love me a good filet. Yeah, maybe I'll try both. So here is my lunch. This is the filet. There's a little piece of beef on top of this lovely puffed pastry with bechamel. And this is the croquet. These look really amazing, and I'm sure I'm gonna be pretty stuffed after I eat these. All right, here we are. Kennywood Krazy's. Here's the prize table. Wow, we got some great prizes this year. I got my eye. I like this bag. Love the colors. Here's that Adventure Guy shirt on the turquoise. Looks awesome. And there's the Adventure Guy, Nick.
Hard to miss today.
No. Oh, it's Buc-ee's stuff? Buc-ee's. Oh my gosh. Sure. I love it. I absolutely love it. Buc-ee's is amazing.
Welcome, all of you, to the 6th annual Kennywood Krazy Picnic. Yeah. I see all your faces here every year, and it really makes me so happy, and it makes me swell with love. New here, wants to play trivia. Wait. All right, you guys ready? Yeah. Now, what are you supposed to yell? Are you ready? That's right, baby. What was Kennywood's first ride? Was it A, the carousel, B, the tumble bug, C, Ferris wheel, D, railroad? Are you crazy? That came over from Nick. The railroad. No, buddy.
Are you crazy?
Where would that come from?
Me. I think it was
Missy.
Carousel.
Yes! Give that woman a prize. I'm sorry, Nick. Keep on playing, buddy.
All right, so our Kennywood Krazy picnic is over. That was a lot of fun, hanging out with folks and doing trivia. Now we are heading off to the Thunderbolt for our informal takeover. I have a feeling the line is going to be quite long. This is the busiest I have seen the Thunderbolt in a long time. There we are. Chuck is directing all of us for another group picture.
Look at me!
Do we have to? Why is there nobody right here?
Yeah, right?
Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Laser loop!
Apparently we are going to wait in the line. This is gonna be the only thing I ride today. No, it won't, but I'm really surprised that we're riding in the general line and we're gonna sit here for a half hour. Here we go. That wasn't as long as we thought. It was maybe 20 minutes, and that was a great ride. It's running the best it has in years. Anybody who says it's not a good coaster, come on. I mean, yes, it's a classic coaster. It's 100 years old. It's not gonna be like a modern coaster. It's got some fantastic laterals, like my goodness, going into those helixes. You're squishing your partner. Glad we got on that. Yeah, it was definitely drizzling a little heavier. Not so bad now, but I don't know, when we're going 85, it might feel a little worse. We're gonna get pelted with some rain! Ah, the needles in the face!
Ow!
Ow, the rain!
Whose idea was that?
Gee, I wonder whose! Oh, let us in, it's pouring! We're getting drenched! Well, the heavens opened up just as we got into the station for Phantom's Revenge. That was an interesting ride in the rain. These folks are gonna have a very, very fun ride in the pouring down rain. Now I can say that I have ridden Phantom's Revenge in the rain. It wasn't terrible because it wasn't pouring like it did when we got out of the station, but it was still enough that it felt like you were getting smacked in the face with little needles. Wasn't the best experience. So I feel bad for the people after us when the rain just started coming down, or just drenched. Got the dip cone. My favorite thing here. Presentation's a little off today. It looks tipsy, but hey, if it tastes good, it's all that matters. So this used to be where the shooting gallery was, which I missed. And they used to have just little RC cars. This is brand new within like the last week or so. All the props in here, in the backdrop with the city and the skyscrapers in the tunnel. This is all brand new. Yeah, it's pouring.
There's the radar.
Yep, pouring. We're mostly covered. There's a slight roof here with the RC trucks. The wind is blowing and my legs are getting a little misted. It did thunder, so everything is shut down right now. We're gonna wait it out. It shouldn't last too long. We'll see. So the rain has stopped and it rewarded us with a beautiful rainbow. Yes, that is totally a groundhog living inside that drain. He's getting brave. He's starting to come out a little bit more.
The elusive Kennywood Groundhog stalks its prey.
They're herbivores, Jason. The only thing they're stalking is grass and plants. All right, we're getting one last ride on Phantom. Not quite a full night ride, but close enough, as close as we're gonna get. Wow, now that is how you end the night. We got 3 consecutive rides on Phantom's Revenge. We rode it normally, and then they literally were like, hey, if you want to stay on, which we did. We come back in the station thinking that was the last ride, and they literally like, hey, you know what? We're gonna let you guys go on again. So we got 3 consecutive rides. We got the last ride of the night. I've never got to do that before, so that was so cool. And no joke, as we came down the first hill just to go down the second hill, an owl flies right across. I mean, it was close, but not like close enough to hit anybody. But yeah, this huge owl just comes flying across. I was like, wow, what a way to end the night. It was a great day. It started out really busy, but then when the rain came, it chased a lot of people out of here, which was great. I haven't had a bad day yet this year. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And until the next one, see you later.